Hi, I'm Jonathan Burns with Tallahassee Nurseries, and I'd like to show you our beautiful new stock of Japanese maples. They're flushing now and they couldn't be prettier. There's four main types of Japanese maples. There's upright growers that you see right here, there's weeping form that cascade down, and they both come in red and green. So those are our four main types: upright red and green, weeping red and green. The weeping need protection from afternoon sun, so they're great in shady spots or wherever they're protected from afternoon sun, something on the west side to give them a little bit of shade when it gets hot. They are much smaller growing, they're very slow growing, and they make a beautiful accent in a courtyard, in a container, or anywhere they'll be viewed up close. The upright growers form a lovely small tree. They get about 15 to 25 feet tall depending on different varieties. They come in red leaves or green leaves, and most of the varieties we carry of the upright forms can actually handle full sun. The bloodgood is very commonly seen in Tallahassee in people's front yards, near the road. It can take our hot summers and still look beautiful with purple leaves all the way from spring until fall. Expect great fall color from all of our Japanese maples, ranging from yellow, red, and orange. These are great trees that really make a statement by the front of the house.